see what this Cane's chicken do. They got the 3-finger combos, 4-finger combos, just all finger combos. You know? Let's check it out. Definitely got to see how that cane sauce is. You know, all they sell is fries and coleslaw. And you know, coleslaw is like spaghetti. You can't trust everybody coleslaw. You know what I mean? Cane's chicken fingers. And they only got these combos. Interesting. Now, for $8, I hope it's cracked up to what it's supposed to be because this is kind of expensive. $8 for 3 strips, fries, a drink, and a sauce. Let's see what we got here. Okay, a nice styrofoam box. Okay, got the fries. They give you a nice little Texas toast. Sesame seed buns on it. Cane sauce. And some nice fluffy chicken strips. First things first, let's check out these French fries. A little wimpy. And they didn't even give me no ketchup. French fries. French fries taste like some shit you buy at Aldi's in the grocery aisle. You put this shit in the microwave or oven. Some shit you can buy at the grocery store. There's nothing special or fancy about these fries. They taste like regular fries. Chicken. Nice golden piece of chicken. Nice little breading on it, you know. We have this shit here called cane sauce. Let's give it a little dip. Texas toast. Healthy dip. Interesting. Let's try the chicken without the sauce. Cane's chicken. For $8, I got 3 chicken strips, cane sauce, some fries, and a piece of Texas toast, and a drink. First things first. These fries is nasty as fuck. The chicken, it has nice breading, but it's no flavor, no seasoning. You can't even see the seasoning on the chicken. It's like no seasoning. Period. I mean, it's a soft bite. It's a soft, tender piece of chicken. It's no seasoning. The bread is probably the most the best thing they got. This Texas toast right here, it's pretty damn good. That's probably the best thing they got. This cane sauce, this right here, it's like Thousand Islands mixed with some other bullshit, and it's not that tasty at all. Even though that's the only flavor that you get from the chicken. I mean, look at this shit. I can make these at the crib. Chicken sucks. That sauce sucks. Definitely can make some better shit than this at the crib. You know what I mean? Cane's chicken, you guys suck balls. This was not worth $8 at all. Period. Point blank. You gonna shut that close. Give the rest of this shit to a homeless man. You know, out of 10, I gotta give Cane's chicken a 1.5. I would never go back and spend no money with them motherfuckers again. Especially when their whole menu consists of everything right here except for the coleslaw. You know what I mean? Like, man, 1.5 all day. Thank you for watching LP's Flavor Review. Like and subscribe, and let me know what I should smash next.